Hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna go over how to draw an Among Us T-rex, an Among Us Tyrannosaurus. It's gonna be real simple, easy for beginners. So let's get started, okay? Whew, let's jump right into it, honestly. So right now I'm gonna start out with the viewport that kind of the Among Us crewmates are known for, and I'm gonna go over here, curve for the top. It's gonna be smaller than normal on the page because T-rexes are pretty big. It's gonna be like the whole body. Curve over here for the front. Underneath, into the bottom section. And normally on a regular crewmate, I'd have it curving this way, like down. But I have it curved up because the T-rex has more of like a snout. And curve around the corner here. Excuse me. Over here, curve around here, and circle here, getting that, reflective surface thing going. Now, I'm gonna go the snout, which is the most important. Out, down, all right. Zigzagging. Pretty far back. Alright. Gonna go over to the top of the head. Curve. Alright. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Basically, I post 3 drawing videos every single day, every single weekday. No one draws that much, I don't think. I don't think people put up that many videos. If there is one, let me know. But there's 3 videos every single day. Most people don't subscribe, right, to anything, right? Most people watching this. But what you want to do is you want to get more announcements of when I post and also what I'm posting. So when you subscribe, you can see it on your feed. That will kind of help you out. Go over here in the front, and I'm going to put a dot here for the nostril. You'll probably only be able to see one side. Open up. There's a skin part over here. Down. And the bottom part now. This zigzag, the bottom teeth. Down over here. And pulling back here, curve underneath. Pulling down over here, back of the body there, back, down. Alrighty. Down here underneath the neck, curve. Line over here. Curve line in for kind of the torso area. And I'm gonna find the leg over here on this side. So it's gonna be a curve. Over here, curve. Right there, it's gonna pull back. And it's gonna go down. Line in. Gonna find the foot over here, like I'm gonna find like a toe, another toe, and another toe. Going over here on this side, curve right in front of his stomach. Actually, I gotta pull this all the way back. Right from his stomach here, same thing. It's gonna be the other hind leg. Down, not as far though, because he's gonna be in the back. Down over here on this side, pulling in, down. Down, down. Alright, gonna go over here and find the tail. So the tail's gonna come out over here. So I'm gonna go from kind of the above the hind leg over here. And I'm gonna try to keep it in the page. That's my goal over here. I'm not going to complete it yet because I need to find his backpack. So backpack, I'm going to start maybe from the lower part of his head. down here. So you find his backpack. It's not going to be as big on him either because I want him to look bigger and in proportion have a smaller backpack. Then I'm going to go over here, pull down over here. Alright, let's find his bitty arms, okay? First one on this side. Curve. Little curve. And those two prongs there. Okay, same thing on this far end. Curve. Curve, little arms. And he's got these two fingers on the end of it. Okay. Let's find the back part of his mouth over here. So I'm going to go maybe like this. Just put some jaggediness here. And I'm going to fill in the dark part of his mouth. Because, you know, there shouldn't be any light reaching in there. It makes it look deep, you know? Don't forget, hit that like if you like this topic. If you have any other Among Us requests, let me know. I'm running out of ideas of Among Us stuff. So I have 50 Among Us videos in the playlist. I'll put that in the playlist section. I'm sorry, I'll put that in the playlist section. Also, I'll try to link it below. But I want more Among Us ideas. I'm straight up running out of ideas for Among Us videos. So let me know if there's anything else you want to see. And that's it. That is a T-Rex, basically an Among Us T-Rex. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. You guys are awesome, and you guys keep this channel running. Okay, it's so good, and it's great to see here everybody. If you ever want to donate to the channel. I take donations in the PayPal, and I use everything, literally everything, on markers because I use these things. I mean, these die pretty quickly. I use them on this, I use them on paper, I use them on editing equipment, I use them for graphics that I do for the video. I use them on so much. So if you ever want to donate, like, I don't know, $5 or something like that, it's gonna go to 100% of that goes to the channel. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys next time, and I'll see you very soon. All right, stick around for the announcement, and I'll see you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.